In this guide, we are going over the fastest way that you guys can use to get OP damage here in Sailor Peace. This is going to be the ultimate guide if you want to level up quickly, and it's going to be from the very beginning. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Making my way back to C1 real quickly, because this is going to be the ultimate guide. But let's talk about how you can boost your damage first. The first thing that I would recommend doing, say you just started off and you might already have this unlocked, if you make your way to Snow Island and you could just teleport to it, you can go ahead and get yourself the Armnet Hockey. If you make your way to the very back of the island itself, you're going to see a little NPC just kind of chilling over here. Go ahead and interact with this NPC, complete this quest to get the Armnet Hockey, because it gives you a strong damage boost. Say you just started, the first thing you need to do is complete some of these quests. What I'd recommend doing, because you have to use this combat ability specifically, is teleport back to Starter Island and just go to the little NPCs over here and just hit them just over and over and over again. It takes a little bit of time and it is kind of obnoxious to go ahead and do, so just keep that in mind, but it is actually worth it as well. And if you stand right here, you can actually get the majority of these guys if you just repeat this ability. Now from here, what you need to go ahead and do is use your Z move 65 times and then land 750 punches and then save 150,000 money and 250 gems. Make your way back to that same NPC, buy it, and then you need to just grind your way up to level 2,500. Once again, after you're there, you need to go ahead and interact with the teleporter, go to Snow Island, but just select the little artifact guy on this little icon, and it's going to take you directly to the Artifact Master. Now, you can unlock this after being level 2,500, and open this up, and you're going to see all these different artifacts that you might have. You could select it, and you can equip different artifacts on here. If you get a full set of these artifacts, it's going to increase your damage immediately. It is extremely helpful. You're going to want to do this, and you can upgrade these to the max level as well by using old artifacts that maybe aren't as good, turning them into dust by just deleting them just like so, and then it'll go ahead and remove them down here, and then you upgrade these guys. What you can also do is make your way back over to that teleporter, and this is only if you have 500 gems, but it is worth saving up for nonetheless. Teleport over to Sailor Island specifically. Once you're at Sailor Island, go to make your way into this area, and you need to find the stat reroll NPC. They actually just changed the layout of this, but he's going to be like located right over here. Interact with this guy and then start re-rolling your stats, and you want to re-roll until you get either S or SS or even triple S as well. That is the best that you could possibly get. For races, clans, and traits, which is all stuff that you could view in your stats right here, you don't want to waste everything chasing mythics early. You want to try and get some epic ones first, because that's going to increase your defense, your damage, stuff like that. And once you have everything at like epic, for example, that's when you want to go ahead and start expanding. I recommend opening up your inventory, go into this storage section and getting like race bags as well as trait bags, clan bags, stuff like that, because this overall will help you in terms of storing something if you have something good. Like for example, if I store my current one, the Monarch one, as you can see, I lose about 14 million health right there, and this one helps me with a lot of damage as well. But from here, what you need to do is just start farming bosses for accessories and titles, because accessories, which are all accessible through your inventory, will also go ahead and start leveling you up a lot. I think the one that I have on right now is the dual outfit. If I actually unequip this, look at the change in my health alone. It's actually insane. You definitely want to run the best accessory that you have at all times. But from here, you just need to keep grinding, and at level 7,500, you need to go ahead and make your way over to the teleporter, interact with the teleporter, and go specifically to Slime Island. Now, once you're at Slime Island, go ahead and run directly to this middle area, go to this skill tree NPC, and you can actually unlock the skill tree, and you can open this up, and you want to focus specifically on damage down here. If you just increase your damage as much as possible, you'll go ahead and obviously do more damage. Now, we just did all the max right there. You can also, if you want to, increase your crit chance and your crit damage. If you focus on those, you should be good. I like to focus on luck personally, but luck does take the longest. From here, keep grinding, and at level 10,000, you need to go ahead and make your way over to the teleporter again, interact with it, and teleport over to Judgment Island this time. Teleport over here. Once you're here, you can find a little passive or spec passive NPC right here. Go ahead and interact with this guy. Choose either, whatever your main weapon is, really. That's what you want to go ahead and choose. And then you want to reroll using your spec passives to essentially aim for damages right here. Like my damage right now has a 23.8% boost. It's insane. Once again, from here, you need to keep grinding, and now you need to make your way over to the teleporter once you're level 11,500. And now you can actually teleport over to Lawless Island, and you could just select power right here. Teleport here. It's going to take you to the Power Master, and you want to go ahead and try and get a good power system. Try and get the best power that you can get. You could keep re-rolling. There's filters and stuff as well. The one that I currently have is pretty good. But from here, what you want to do is actually make your way over to the teleporter again. And of course, interact with it, teleport over to Dungeon Island, and just start farming the rune dungeons to get better runes, as well as the Tower Island to get the best runes in the game, like Primordial and whatnot. At this point, you're a pretty high level, so you can go ahead and continue grinding. But for the late game, I'd recommend going into C2, getting yourself the Bloodlines, Damage Relics, different Boss Rush upgrades, stuff like that. But the main path is what we just went over. But that is how you can increase your damage fast. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.